Redmi is introducing its new Redmi Turbo 5 Max. Smartphone will be an AMOLED touchscreen display and 120Hz refresh rate with 1.5K resolution. Battery will be 9000 mAh. It will be expected to debut with the MediaTek Dimensity chipset with a powerful octa-core CPU, and internal memory will be 512 GB. RAM will be 12 GB. A 50 megapixel primary camera with OIS. The OIS ensures stable 4K videos and decent low light shots. There will be under display ultrasonic fingerprint reader. Phone will run on Android 16 operating system. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.